Winter Storm Landon on its way up. And what I had cut for firewood is about gone. But I got a pile of logs out there that I'm going to start chunking off. Hopefully tomorrow night. Tomorrow night will be Wednesday, the 2nd of February. And what I did have cut for the winter is done a pretty good job of lasting so far, especially given how cold it's been. It's been like, I don't know, January I bet on average was probably like 15 to 20 degrees. It was really cold. A couple of times it got down to negative 20. Just a lot colder than average here in New York, which has been depleting the firewood reserves a little quicker than anybody would have wanted, and I'm sure everybody's in the same boat, whether you're paying a heat bill or feeding your boiler or your wood stove. We're all spending a little bit more time or spending a little bit more money. Alright, Landon's coming tomorrow. Let's go grab some of these logs, take them over by the door, and get them chunked up for firewood. this spot up a little bit. Pile it all right there. I gotta fill the boiler right now. That's getting low. Once every 24 hours right now. Actually, I haven't had to feed it twice in a day yet, so even with like -20 temps there, just heating the house and letting the shop get the residual heat from the boiler once a day. So there's a whole bunch right here that's kind of covered in snow from the last time we got snow, so I'm gonna clean this up, throw this inside and see where that gets us, and then I'll cut whatever else I need. Get all this stuff cleaned right up, and we can start a new pile right here. This is the stuff that gets froze to the ground. It's getting funky, but it'll burn. Tractor's getting low on fuel. I'm gonna finish off that fuel can there. Throw a little Power Services diesel fuel treatment in. Looks good. Brought the bucket in on the forks too. Keep it out of the snow and the rain, freezing rain if we get any. But problem is, this gets packed with snow, and then when you pull up with your quick attach frame under tractor, it gets packed in here, and then you can't get your latches, your pins to latch. So this will just keep it dry. All right, got a whole bunch of firewood stacked tonight. This will last me at least a week. And then I gotta burn the rest of these boxes. Got a bunch of kindling from the wood shop that, you know, if the fire gets down there, I can throw that on. Sparks right back up, and it's good to go. So won't be digging through the snow for at least a week. Let's get the plow hooked up on the side by side. we're all set for Winter Storm Landon. I don't know when they started naming winter storms, but I don't remember them doing that a few years ago or even last year, so I don't know if that's a new thing or if I just never paid attention. But I'm gonna go fill some fuel cans and then come back home and make some supper and see what the storm brings. So see you guys on the next one.